Well, hello there, and welcome to another vlog. My name is Miss Leah, and I'm going on another cruise with Virgin Voyages. So stay tuned for all the festivities. So I check into my stateroom and I find this delicious box of chocolates from Virgin Voyages. Thank you, Virgin. So here's a quick look at my stateroom. It's a sea terrace balcony suite. I have a flat panel TV, a comfortable bed, which I'm having separated into two twins. A beautiful view of Miami from the balcony. Has a refrigerator to keep your beverages cold, 2 water decanters. And next we'll take a look at the bathroom. We have an overhead shower with a wand. Nice spacious area for your toiletries. And there's the toilet. You have hand towels, makeup towels, and regular towels. Hello there, and welcome to another vlog. My name is Miss Leah, and I am on Virgin Voyages cruise. I am going to the Dominican Republic, and it's been a few months since I've been on Virgin Voyages. The last cruise I took Scarlet Lady. If you'd like to see that vlog, you can check the link below in the description box. I went to Honduras. I had a fabulous time. So this time I'm going to Dominican Republic, which I've been before, but the last time it rained all day. So I'm hoping for good weather this time. So right now I'm just chilling on my balcony, and this time I'm not solo. I came with a friend, so I'll be taking you along with me to see all the festivities on the ship. This is a special cruise. It's the Taste of Brilliance, I believe. I'll double check that and I'll let you know. I'm ready to go to the galley right now and grab a bite to eat, and then later it's the celebrate party and the pajama party, and I'll be taking you guys along with me. So now I'm here in the galley. My first stop is the sweet side. I love this place. It sells the most delicious desserts. It's my favorite. So Virgin is having their Eat and Drink Festival, which they're highlighting a lot of new foods in celebration of their new ship So I'll be doing a separate vlog with just the foods I ate on my cruise. So I grabbed a bite to eat and I'm sitting at the back of the galley. This is one of my favorite areas to sit because the views are amazing, even while you're out at sea. So it's 4th of July and it was raining a lot today. So the decks are very wet. The staff is working their best to keep them dry. So we're not having a sail away party, but later we will be having the pajama party. So I will take you guys there with me. So just stay tuned. Now, welcome to the Redemption Spa, which includes a thermal suite with various heat and water experiences, and a range of spa treatments, such as facials and massages. The spa is located on Deck 5. You can purchase a day pass for the thermal suite, which features a mud room, salt room, sauna, steam room, hot and cold pools, and a heated marble bench.